Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Welcome YouTube. Today we're going to do a little review of this new Klein Tools Electrician's multi-tool. It says it's a 7-in-1. Has a wire stripper. It'll cut, strip wires. Has a Phillips head. Has a flat bit. Has a blade, a knife, pliers, obviously, a cutter, and this says this appears as tweezers here, but the official description is metal splinter remover. Yeah, I was removing splinters with them 20 years ago. Anyway, so I'm going to open it up. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know what it's like. I just got it. Let's get this bad boy open. I buy all my own tools to do these reviews. Nobody sent these to me. If they did, I would say it. But I'm no fan of multi-tools. But I got this one. Figured to check it out. It's different than all the other ones, you know what I mean? It is a Klein tool, and they do have a good reputation for the tools that they sell. Although this one is made in China. It doesn't say it here, but it does say it on the package. Made in China. So it's all over the place with this. Klein Tools Chicago. Then here it says imported for Klein Tools to Mexico. Come on, Klein Tools, just come back to the USA. We can make this stuff ourselves. And leave these junky multi-tools for the little guys. You know what I mean? Let them make some. Why you gotta jump on their bandwagon when you got a specialty in your industry? Anyway, yeah, well, this seems like it's a nice idea. It feels pretty good in the hand. Feels pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see what it looks like closed up. I haven't seen that yet. Closed up, it's a pretty big, bulky tool. Here's the blade. Let's see what the blade looks like. Oh, nice looking blade. Liner lock. See how sharp it feels. Oh yeah, this is sharp as hell. Man, it's not sharp on this side though. But man, that's a hell of a blade, huh? Whoa. That is really nice. Like I said, I'm not a fan of these multi-tools. But I figured I'd give this one a shot since it was Klein Tools. Let's close that blade up before we get cut. Now the other big thing about this one is the metal splinter remover. Here it is on the back end. And it's got a good let me see, I'll tell you if it's going to remove any metal splinters. Maybe. It's not as sharp as the Victorinox tweezers, you know, you get in your Swiss Army knife. It's definitely not as sharp as those, or not as strong either. They're actually pretty crappy compared to them. I don't have a Victorinox on me to compare it with. But yeah, these tweezers are the junky kind. For sure. So what else we got? We got a Phillips head screwdriver. Pretty nice quality. This it's not going to twist. This is all pretty heavy duty. And we have the flathead screwdriver. with no added file or anything like that, like the other companies put on them. Nothing like that. Okay, then we got the blade. Alright, let's open her back up. Now this seems pretty nice. Do I have a piece of wire? Yeah, I got a piece of wire right here. Let's see how this cutter feels. Just cut. It's a good cutter. Cuts pretty easy. Let's see what the stripper looks like. See, we got a, I believe this is a 14 wire. I think 14's up top there, right here. Oh yeah, that worked nice. That was nice. Let me see if it does in the next one. No, I actually had it in the right one and it worked beautifully. Just took it, give it a quarter turn. Try from the other side. I don't know. It seemed to work good. Anyway, the cutters look good. Wire cutters, wire strippers look good. What's left? We got a little flathead pliers here. Now that we've stripped our 2 wires, let's see how that feels. Grip a couple. Got some gripping power. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. These aren't bad. You can see some grease oozing out of here. That's a good sign. They greased it up a little. Like I said, you know, Klein is a good company, and whatever they have made in China is probably going to be good as well, but they should make it in the USA. This is a nice tool. It'll probably go in the tool bag, be hardly used. This knife, what is the purpose of this knife? For an electrician, what is the purpose of this knife? Tell me. Anyway, that's going to be about it for this review. That's all I got. I like the knife, but really doesn't belong in an electrician's tool. No. But I do like it. And the logo seems to have just been haphazardly thrown on there. It's got all rough edges around here. All rough. Everything else is smooth. I think this should have been covered over with some acrylic, you know. Anyway, that's my review. Klein Electrician's multi-tool. That's it. You guys, if you like this video, you like this review, even though this was a little slow one, I admit it. Hey, what can I say? Give us a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below, and we'll see what we can do about getting another video. I'll try to be more enthusiastic about the next one. Like I said, I'm not the greatest multi-tool person. Anyway, this is a nice one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.